Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my first Pygame tutorial. So in this series of tutorials, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Pygame. And for those of you who don't know what Pygame is, it's pretty much a bunch of modules for Python that are designed for writing video games, pretty much. And you can also write other multimedia programs, but a lot of the times it's used to write video games. And it's very simple to use alongside Python because Python is one of the simplest programming languages, and Pygame makes it pretty easy to create video games. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys how to download and install it, install Pygame. So let's go ahead and open up just any internet service or any internet Explorer thing, and we're going to go ahead and go to pygame.org. Okay, and then it'll bring you to this page, which is the Pygame main page. And so go over on the left, and you can see there's this table here, and they have downloads. So go ahead and click on downloads, and you can see it shows a bunch of the downloads. And I'm using Windows, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and the one that I am going to use, the download that I'm going to download, actually that I already downloaded, is this one right here at the bottom, because I'm using Python 3.2. It's this part at the end that you need to be, look at. So if you're using Python 3.1, either, upgrade to Python 3.2 or just download this one. It's not too big of a difference. So it doesn't matter which one. If you have Python 3.1, it's alright. You can just download this one. But I'm not going to be using Python 2, any of the Python 2 versions. And so if you do have a Python 2 version, you should download Python 3 because it is different in certain aspects. Alright, so just go ahead and click on it, and I've actually already downloaded it, so I'm not going to bother. But once you do, you'll download it, and then you'll just double click it after it's downloaded. It'll run it, it'll install it, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So if we go and open up Python, open up idle, we can actually pretty much all you have to do in order to use the Pygame modules is you just have to import Pygame. Alright? And that's all you do, and now Pygame has been imported. And so you can, oops, it's not gonna work. Pygame, if I could spell it right, Pygame, and then dotted notation. And if you wait a second, you can see all of the different variables that they have, which is a lot. You can see it's a lot of variables, as well as some of these are functions as well. And so you can just kind of see like all the different stuff that is included in this Pygame file that you imported. So that's pretty much all that there is for this tutorial. And in these series of tutorials, I'll be showing you how to use Pygame in order to make video games. And the stuff that you learn, you won't necessarily have to use just to make video games. You can make other programs if you wish. And also, if, let's say you don't really know much about Python, I would encourage you to learn Python before watching these tutorials, at least a little bit. You don't have to have too much knowledge, but some would definitely help, because I won't be going through all of the different things in Python. So if you want to learn, you can go ahead and watch my Python tutorials for Python 3, which is what I will be using in this series of tutorials. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.